Hey guys, it's Rachel with Rachel's Remedies, and today I'm going to be making Texas style tuna salad. Ahi wild yellowfin tuna steaks at Costco, and it says save cat, every tuna mercury tested. And I just love tuna. I don't know if y'all love tuna, but I love tuna, and it's a great way to get your homemade mayonnaise in. I make my mayonnaise with MCT oil, making it a little more ketogenic, and it's hard for me to eat the MCT oil in because you can't bake with it, but the tuna salad is so good, y'all. So let's get started. If you don't have a lot of mayonnaise on hand, you're gonna need mayonnaise, some jalapenos, some Texas pecans, and we're gonna make the best tuna salad that you have ever had. Okay, so keto on the go can be really difficult because keto, you kind of have to cook. And so I always have a tuna salad in the fridge, a chicken salad. I kind of rotate, like 1 week I'll have tuna salad, and the next week chicken salad, an egg salad in the fridge, or deviled eggs. Those are kind of my go-to things to kind of have. Good crackers, there's some little almond crackers, they're real low carb, and he'll scoop the salads. But the thing about the salad, the egg salad, tuna salad, if you have control of that mayonnaise, which I will link my mayonnaise recipe down below, if you control the oil in the mayonnaise, you know what kind of quality oil you're getting, how much fat it's gonna have, what kind of fat, and you don't want canola or soybean oil going into this shoot if you can't help it. Now, Zoe's and all of these really cool fast food healthy restaurants are great, but are they using good oil? That's the question. So if you're cooking at home, and if you're doing keto at home, or even if you're not doing keto, if you're just making these salads for your family, pick really good oils. Now, I will say, when you make your mayonnaise, I like MCT oil. It bumps up my ketosis. It kind of gets it going again if it's been a little sluggish. If you use olive oil, hemp oil, some of the awesome, really incredible other oils that are so good for your body, keep in mind, if they're green, they're gonna look a little green in the mayonnaise. So I like MCT oil. It's really clear, and so you can do half MCT oil and half olive or hemp or avocado oil, and now you have this scrumptious, amazing mayonnaise that you can use as a base for all these other keto recipes. But this is a way you can sneak omega-3s and all of these amazing, like, different vitamins into your body, into your children's body. Now it's time to do this. I have some celery, which I'm gonna cut up. And my celery is a little sad and tiny bit old, but you know what? Inside of a salad, and I'm not a chef, so my cutting skills are probably not the best. I'm probably using the wrong knife, and I don't really care. Jalapenos. Let's talk about jalapenos, people. This is our jalapeno bucket. I mean, we literally have a jalapeno bucket. I actually am going to just do a kind of a big handful because this is mostly for Mark and I. If it's mostly for the kids, I count out 10 jalapenos and I cut them in tiny dices. So we still get the jalapeno flavor, but the kids aren't like totally freaking out at how much jalapeno is in there. Okay, tuna. Let's talk tuna. I will eat any tuna. I don't care if it has mercury, no mercury. I love tuna. I have to have tuna to exist. However, they have this safe catch ahi at Costco, so let's just take advantage of that, people. And I do 4 cans of tuna. We have a large family. If you haven't been to this channel before, I'm Rachel. This is Rachel's Remedies. I'm always trying to find quick, easy, fun hacks for keto lifestyle with a big family. Okay, let's look at my recipe card. It's 1 teaspoon of paprika. Of course, my spoons only have 3 on here, so I'm gonna do a couple of half teaspoons. Now, this is my little trick for paprika. I always get smoked paprika. I feel like the smoked gives it a little smoky flavor, and we like that. So I rarely use regular paprika. It's always smoked, and I'll put that in the notes down below. You can link down below for, oh, y'all caught me. I'm not really measuring. It's going to be a teaspoon of mustard. So just put, see, that looks like a teaspoon on there. And I just like to slice it pretty thin. You know, you don't want too much onion in there. You don't want it overpowering, like 1/4 of a cup of an onion. Now, the other huge ingredient, you have to have this is not optional, people, are the pecans. And I have 1/2 cup pecans chopped. Okay, so a 1/2 cup is a pretty generous amount. And you can put these pecans in a like a Ziploc bag and take a, you know, like a rock or something and hit it, and that'll chop them. Or I just like to take my knife and kind of lightly chop your cup of mayo. And I gave y'all a mayo speech before. The mayo is one of the main reasons we do this. So what makes keto keto is when you have enough fat in a meal. Well, all of these salads, tuna salad, chicken salad, egg salad, have mayonnaise. Lots and lots of mayonnaise. I do a cup of mayonnaise and crush the tuna salad and get it all nice and incorporated. And the mayonnaise will look like a lot to start out with, and then it just starts to become a part of the fabric of the salad. And there you have it. I'm gonna have tuna salad for lunch, and it's gonna be super, super yum. This actually looks a little bit wet. Put a piece of lettuce on the plate, and I'll do 2 or 3 scoops. There's a nice, generous portion. And then baked, well, actually, I love the Epic pork rinds. The oven baked are actually lower fat, which isn't very keto, but the chili lime is divine. So there you have it, a nice little keto lunch, and I have plenty left. I will make sandwiches for the kids that are not keto. I will put it on a lettuce bed for the keto people. Mark will take it to work with him in a little container with ice for lunches. It's the perfect cool keto item for your menu, and it's easy. If you have a little piece of onion in the fridge, your jalapenos, everything's on hand, and then just make sure you always have tuna in your pantry. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a great day. Go out, do something fun for yourself. Make something easy that makes your life easy, like tuna salad.